Hi, it's Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we're working on the August 2016 New York Geometry Common Core Regents problem number 3. If you want to access these exams, go to nysedregents.org, click on the appropriate tabs. They're all available there. So here's the problem. If an equilateral triangle is continuously rotated around one of its medians, which three-dimensional object is generated? Cone, pyramid, prism, sphere. All right, definitely recommend that you pause the video, try the problem on your own, and see if you get the right answer. The hint I'm going to drop for you is if you haven't drawn a diagram for this problem, you're probably not going to really fully understand it, and you're not really giving yourself the full chance to get this problem if you're not drawing a diagram. So that's what we're going to do. Let's see, it's our equilateral triangle. So I'm going to draw the best equilateral triangle that I could possibly draw with a pen and without a straight edge. So here it is. So, and then it's drawn through one of its medians. So we do need to know what some of these words mean. Equilateral triangles continuously rotated around one of its medians. Okay, so definition: a median of a triangle is a line through a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So let's see. So I'm gonna pick, because I feel comfortable choosing this top one over here. I'm gonna choose that top one, that top vertex, and then the median goes to the midpoint of the opposite side. So that is right there. Median. In fact, a median will extend on forever because a median is actually a line, not a line segment. But that's what a median is. So now we have to imagine rotating around this point. So again, pause the video if you think this is enough information. So I'm going to rotate around that point. This around that line. This point, for example, gets rotated around. I'm going around that line, and then it ends up right back here. And then it keeps going around, okay, and ends up back here. So already I should be able to see what this figure should be. But in fact, just in case I'm wondering, that point gets rotated around, that point gets rotated around, that point gets rotated around, okay? So, and then of course these points all get rotated around. So this figure looks very much like a cone, and then that's in fact what this is, okay? So this is not a prism, and it's not a sphere. Higher level mathematicians might complain about the fact that pyramid is one of the choices, but in this class we inaccurately define a pyramid to have either a triangular base or a square base or a polygonal base, whereas in general a pyramid really can have any base at all. But that's for higher level math. For the high school level, we'll ignore the fact and we'll assume that pyramids have polygonal bases. So the answer for this one is a cone. All right, so let's do a very similar one. They love asking this kind of question, and it could be a gimme if you draw a diagram. So this next one, highly recommend trying it on your own, drawing a diagram, see what you get. If a rectangle is continuously rotated around one of its edges, which three-dimensional object is generated? Pause the video, try it on your own, see if you get the right answer. If you get the right answer, definitely hit the like button. And by the way, subscribe, because you know these videos are made for you, for students like you, to find benefit. And as you go higher in level, we're also going to have Algebra 2, Trig, Biochem, and Physics videos. And we're eventually going to do, very soon going to do Calc A, B, and Calc B, C videos as well. So definitely keep an eye out for those. And again, for this one, draw a diagram. That's my advice. So I'm going to draw my diagram as a rectangle, the best that I could draw it with a pen. And remember that it's continuously rotated around one of its edges. I'm going to choose one of the vertical edges to rotate around, but you don't have to. I'm going to choose that edge right here. So there's this edge over here. I'm going to rotate around that edge. So I'm going to take this point, rotate it around that edge. Let me extend the line just so I could see what's going on here. So I could imagine maybe like a flag on a spaghetti on an actual thin spaghetti, and I can rotate the thin spaghetti and see what shape the flag makes as it goes around. So what shape does it make as it goes around? Well, this point goes around this way. Okay. This point goes around this way. Okay. This point goes around this way. And hopefully maybe you could see the shape already. This point goes around this way. And in fact, I see that all these points here go around as a line goes around to here. Okay. So the shape that's made seems to be have to have a solid edge over here. This point goes around, starting here, going around this way, and then the bottom point here goes around this way, and then goes around the back. So you should be able to see what shape this is. This is a cylinder, right? Because it's got a circular base. It's got a circular base at the top. It goes straight up from the bottom to the top. So in fact, it is a cylinder. So it's not a cone. It's not a sphere. It's not a pyramid. It's a cylinder. All right. So hopefully you got this question. Hit the like button, subscribe if you did, and look, keep at it. It takes a lot of hard work to really get good at all this geometry. It's a lot to absorb. So keep working at it. Keep doing that homework. Keep listening to school. Do everything you can to ace that test. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video starting right now.